Yeah, what's up? Toy Rants here. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Y'all get anything from that Spider-Man Magic the Gathering wave? Ugh, I don't even know why it's a thing, but you should get this. Man Wolf. It's not gonna go with my Spider-Man display per se, but it will go with my Spiro Toys display. I think this is the best one of the wave. It's four wave. I think it comes with like Mary Jane in the Iron Spider suit. I think Agent Venom or Agent Anti Venom, and then Battle Damage Spider Man. But I think this right here, this is the move. This is the move, and just right on cue. Okay, come on, come on. Look, I'm recording. You know I'm gonna leave this in there for your mom to see. Okay, good. So yeah, this is the best one out of the wave. Pick this guy up because this guy is already high. So pick this guy up. All right, peace.